good evening and good morning to everyone. Daddy Yang here, back for another unboxing video. And this time we'll be unboxing newly delivered Lenovo X1 Carbon X1 Carbon Gen 10. Okay. And I have my Sinclair card knife again to use for this unboxing video. So give me a second. Let's start unboxing. Okay, there you go. One thing that I noticed with Lenovo's newly delivered laptops now, they are more eco-friendly. As you can see, they have changed even the handle from those recently plastic ones to this bamboo. Yeah, similar to I think it's a bamboo wood. So yeah, let's go ahead and start. As you can see, it's a sustainability as well logo. So it's a green logo from Lenovo, indicating that this is an eco-friendly. So let's start. So it's my right hand. Put this one aside, and let's see what's inside the box. So no more styrofoam anymore, only cartons. So more eco-friendly. There you go. Of course, let's go grab the power adapter first. Okay, so I bet this is the standard 65 watts Thunderbolt C, a Thunderbolt power adapter or USB-C. And there you go, 65 watts, 3-prong Thunderbolt. And as you can see, it's a Lenovo signature with a yellow. So with a UK standard output plug prongs. Okay, let's go for the next one. Laptop itself, instead of their standard plastic, now comes in this eco-friendly casing. You can actually recycle this casing. Something actually good. You can actually use this as a like a actual carrying case, and it comes with the Lenovo embossed with the Lenovo Thinkpad X1 logo. You can see on the video. Thinkpad is actually embossed. Bamboo sugar cane. So made from bamboo sugar cane wood to make this casing. It did come with this like a wax plastic covering for the X1 itself. So before the laptop, let's see what documentation it comes with. So it comes with it's no Lenovo warning, no safety information. It's with the Gen 10 guide. I would say guide. And Windows 11 Pro. So I'm assuming it comes with Windows 11 Pro. Recovery media entitlement. Okay. And small features. Quick commands up. There you go. Smart display. Some summary of what this laptop is capable to when it comes to the display. Nothing else. else. So laptop itself. Okay, so it's the usual X1 Carbon matte finish, but aside comparing to Gen 9, 7 and 8, this has like a curve layer, so I can feel a curve over here. So if you actually put it in the table, it's actually flat, or just a space. One thing that I can also notice is this rubber small stand to probably adjust the height of this X1 Carbon, so it wouldn't be totally flat in your desk or your table, to circulate the ventilation. So there's at the bottom, there's the speaker and probably the ventilation as well. Also speakers over here. You can see X1 Carbon Gen 10 carbon fiber magnesium. Okay, on the side you'll see the standard 3.5mm audio jack and one USB-A, or of course the Kingston lock mount. On the left side, USB-C Thunderbolt input where you can do charging, and one USB-A and one HDMI input as well. So let's open it. Actually, I can open it with one hand. Looks and feel is technically similar to Gen 9, but one thing that I noticed as well, there's a latch or some kind of a layer here on the top where the camera is located. Okay, technically it's similar to Gen 9. The power button comes together with the fingerprint login sensor. It's the standard Lenovo chiclet keyboard, plus the standard Lenovo /IBM red button. So some legacy users who've been using IBM are more familiar using this button instead of the trackpad itself. So it's a Dolby Atmos running on Intel Evo i7. ThinkPad itself is also embossed. Material is also matte. Other than this material, compared to Dell, especially the XPS Plus that I recently unboxed, this matte finish attracts a lot of fingerprint and oil from your skin. So there you go. That's the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10. So see you again in the next unboxing video. Bye guys.